In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. All you need to do is open an app called Hi Theme, and then tap on Theme at the bottom. Following that, click on the search bar, type in wherever you want to, select one of those options, or pick one of those themes right away. Then hit download, choose apply and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing device's settings, tapping on personalization and selecting my themes at the top. Then tap on your default one and hit apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!